We do everything from start to finish, from cutting the cable to the finished product in the factory.
Okay, let's go to the next step.
Okay.
Welcome to Senra Systems, a fast-moving startup that is supercharging wire harness manufacturing straight from Torrance. Co-founder and CEO Jordan Black and co-founder and CTO Benjamin Shanahan are at the helm, helping to build the first software-powered wire harness manufacturing company.
Senra Systems is revolutionizing wire harness manufacturing design. What is wire harnessing? It connects all electronic components in every technology, from cars, ovens, rockets, drones. It is literally in everything. It's a connector and it's wires. So if you think about your iPhone charger, the lightning bolt cord that you put into your charger, that is technically a wire harness.
A wire harness is basically the nervous system of, for example, your car. You open up the hood of your car. In there you see collections of wires, collections of little plastic connectors, all different colors, zip ties, etc. That is a wire harness. That thing connects parts of your vehicle to other parts of your vehicle. The whole process starts with the design of a wire harness. What connects to what type of cable are you using, what type of connector are you using. Currently in the industry, it's very difficult to become an expert or even understand the best way to design a wire harness. There's a lot of different pieces of software, there's a lot of different ways to approach the problem. And one of the things we're trying to solve is unifying that experience, creating a standard for how to actually design these wire harnesses. With that in mind, once we have a standard for these wire harnesses, once we're able to, digitally represent any customer's design in our system, the world is our oyster.
Currently, almost all wire harness manufacturing is strictly a hands-on enterprise. Senra Systems is trying to change that. These engineers note that as the world becomes more electrified, the need for more wire harnesses is going to increase.
We are not changing the product that we're selling to customers right now. We're changing the process, how we're doing it. Wire harnessing is done completely manual today. It is just highly skilled labor in all of these mom and pop shops across the US. The way that we are doing it is we are bringing automation and software approach so that anyone off the street can build a wire harness. Right now we're building 2 to 3 times faster. Next month we might build 4 to 5 times faster, and our whole goal is to build as fast and highest quality harnesses as possible and just continuing to iterate from there.
Our customers understand that our team has this immense experience in this industry and understands kind of the ins and outs of wire harnessing. We can provide support, advice for the best way to design your harness. We are working very hard. That's one of our main goals, is to make sure that our customer is able to get in touch with us, feels like we're able to support them, that we want to support them, that we care about what they think, and value their feedback and input into our process as we build.
Yes, customer service is key to Senra, and those very customers run the gamut from flight to food.
Because we are in everything, our customers are everywhere. We're in robotics companies right now, we're in aerospace, defense companies. Our first company we've been built for was an automation pizza company. Some of the aerospace customers we worked with is Inversion Space, which is local to Torrance. Inversion Space is an aerospace company where they're actually sending cargo out so that it can go anywhere in the earth within 30 minutes to an hour. And so we're actually supplying wire harnesses to their prototype vehicles and hopefully one day their flight vehicles.
Inversion Space is an aerospace company that's developing small-scale re-entry vehicles or space capsules that are designed to carry cargo and deliver them to anywhere in the world in under an hour. We've been working with Senra since the beginning, and our space capsule that's going to be launching in 2024 has tons of wire harnesses all over it. And so it's a very specialized and niche side of engineering and manufacturing. And so we've been working with Senra to design and build and manufacture many of the space harnesses that are going on board our capsule for launch in 2024. What Senra has basically allowed is for much faster manufacturing and lower cost manufacturing of these harnesses, which plays directly into what we're trying to build and manufacture here. It's great having Senra just down the street here in Torrance. We literally will package up the raw materials and the wires and everything that we need for them to manufacture, and we'll literally just go drive it over and drop it off to them. So it's been super convenient, and it's allowed that super fast manufacturing to go even faster.
Reaching for the stars was exactly what Jordan and Ben, who both previously worked at SpaceX, were trying to do at Senra's humble beginning.
We started this company in my apartment in March of 2023. Quit our jobs probably a month before that, and we started building wire harnesses the third week that we were in my apartment. And I just remember the days of me and Ben sitting on my couch listening to records. He's writing code, I'm trying to talk to investors over email, and crazy to see where we're at now.
Senra Systems employs 8 people who all work out of this 2,500 square foot facility. Within the first few months of starting, the company raised millions of dollars, looking to expand in the future. So Jordan, right now we're inside what you call the factory. You said the magic happens here. Walk me through this magic trick. It looks very techy to me.
Yeah, this machine right here does tripping and crimping of contacts for wire harnessing. It's one of the most critical parts of building it. It's what holds the wire pretty much to the connector. So today we're actually gonna have you build part of a wire harness.
Oh my goodness. Okay, walk me through it.
All right, so stick the wire in here. You're gonna go right to the top right of where that gold part is. And bam, part of your wire harness is done.
Okay.
You're gonna take the wire, you're gonna put it right towards the top of where that, and just keep going. And then,
see, not anyone can do it. Oh,
you did it! Congratulations.
now what does that do?
This strips the wire insulation and put a contact onto it. And this is gonna go to the final step where you put this wire into a connector.
No doubt inside the factory, there is much to see and learn.
There's a lot of different machines from different vendors in the factory. We are interfacing with the machines. We are connecting the machines together, connecting them with our design process, our data model, and other parts of this system to make everything work together. Typically, the way that these machines are used is you will have a manufacturing engineer or someone who specializes in a particular machine or a set of machines in the manufacturing house. They will go and configure each of the machines manually to build one part over and over and over again, many, many times. The thing that differentiates us in this case is that instead of configuring the machine manually each time, we have software do that. So we're effectively cutting out that configuration step, which will allow us to move much faster. Having the ability to remove that configuration step from the use of these machines allows us to actually process a huge number of different types of customer orders and reconfigure our entire factory in the time that it takes a typical manufacturer to set up even one job.
It's a fitting task for a community that has become a magnet for a new generation of brilliant movers and shakers.
We think Torrance is the new tech hub. It's close to all our customers. There's a lot of new technology here, and it's very affordable. We love this space. We worked with a broker. It was fantastic, and we have great neighbors. We have Wagyu beef on the right of us.
It's a distributor. We actually have gone to them several times and gotten pounds of beef for barbecues that we do like once a month.
We have an import of car parts across the street that we use their forklift all the time. And so I think that's like the beauty of the area, is that we're all here to help each other, whether we're in totally different industries or don't even know each other. It's just a very great neighborly love.
There are 4 breweries, 3 of them are in walking distance to this area. There's a ton of restaurants. We go out to lunch all the time as a team. It's a great bonding experience, and also the neighborhood is just wonderful to be a part of.
With that, these 2 executives have created quite the company culture.
It's important that we also get to know each other on a personal level. That's why every employee gets to choose their favorite record. And we have a record player here. We choose our records, get to talk about the music, and I think that's like a really fun and exciting part to kind of get to know your coworkers.
There's always a record playing. Someone's always, hanging out on the couch or going on spirit walks trying to, decompress. It's very common to take your meetings just walking around outside instead of sitting in an office, which is a pretty nice feature of like being in this area.
As the saying goes, if you build it, they will come. And that's exactly what Jordan and Benjamin are betting on.
They come to us because we're faster, cheaper, and higher quality than any other shop out there today. People just know that they're going to get the best product coming to Senra Systems. We have a really great reputation. I've been doing this for a very long time. Our CEO has been doing this for over 20 years. Ben is a great software and manufacturing co-founder as well too. It's just, we care so much about revolutionizing this industry, and I think people are going to be very excited about what we're building.